everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an ostrich with the Rubik's twist. So turn the first two blocks 2 times, like this, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the 5th block 2 times. Now turn this block up, like that. Now turn this grey block down, it's like this. Now turn this black block to the right. Okay, now turn this block away from you, and then turn this black one towards the head, so towards this part. Right, now you're going to turn this black one down, and then you're going to match these two up and turn this one, so you're going to turn it like that. Right, now you're going to turn this grey block down, and you're going to turn this black block towards you. Now this black block is going to go to the right. And then these two are going to match up, and you're going to turn this grey block here, so like this. Okay, so now turn this grey block down. And then turn this black block 2 times. Now you're going to turn the last 3 blocks 2 times. And then finally you're going to turn the very last block 2 times. And there you go, you have your ostrich. And it can stand, I think. Okay, then it can't stand. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And bye, see you in my next video.